What up, Raffleators? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in Georgetown looking at some of the new construction that's happening in the city. It's just rained overnight and the city is still wet from what might have been about a few inches of rain in a space of about 12 hours. And so now it's just afternoon, it's about 1:30, almost 2 o'clock. And we're heading to Regent Street to do some shopping. But I just wanted to bring your attention to what is happening in construction. There's a lot of tall buildings going up around the city. And from that you might gauge the climate, right? The construction climate that's happening in the city. So take a look.
Oh, this is my day. I'm ready to take it on, come what may.
Today we're taking a look at some of the new construction going on here in Georgetown. This is a new building that's been going up for the last 3 months at the corner of Kroll Street and Winter Place. Looks as if they're going to be going up another floor at least. So there are 3 floors already. They're 3 stories tall. And if you look at the rebar which extends above the top level, and you see that staircase, it says to me that they're going to be going up at least another floor, or they're going to have a roof garden or something up there. And this is where it's at Kroll Street. That's South Road and Light Street, and right next door to Carib Fruit. So right next door to that Carib Fruit is this new construction here on Kroll Street. There you have another tall building. But yeah, here we are at, see that says Winter Place, Kroll Street and Winter Place. And that's what's happening. That's what's happening here at Kroll Street and Winter Place. I get through. And across the street, that is on South Road, that's another tall building, another building that's going up and possibly going to go up another floor, at least 1 more floor, because the rebar again extends beyond the top level. So it looks like they're going to be building at least 4 floors, at least a 4-story building over there. That's what's happening here in Georgetown, Guyana. A lot of buildings under construction, reflecting growing investment in the city and property in the city, and all of this ahead of 2020 date for start of oil production in Guyana. So this is a new Honda dealership that is opened in January 2019, located between Wellington Street and King Street on Charlotte Street. So this is Charlotte Street in Georgetown, Guyana, and this Honda dealership is owned by Marix Company Limited. Marix has been a dealer in Honda and Isuzu Japanese vehicles since the 1960s, 1970s, and they're going to be moving their showroom to this location in Georgetown. Take a look. Let's take a look at the Honda showroom today. This is Mandela Avenue at the back of the Botanical Gardens. I've actually shown this property before, and I just want to give you an update a month or so later. Take a look at what's happening with the Orchid Hotel and shopping mall. That's the mall and hotel and shopping center. What is happening. Apparently the facade is completed. They're looking at what is happening over at the properties of the Continental Resorts Limited. They've put a fence around it and they're cleaning up the land. So it looks as if they're preparing to build. Right? It looks as if they're preparing to build at the Continental Resorts property. They've put a fence around the property. They started to clear the brush. There's fire burning there. So it seems as if they're getting ready to build, they're getting ready to start building that Continental Resort. So things are happening out here. Things are beginning to take off here in Georgetown area. So that's how the skyline is changing here on Regent Street. So that is what's up, guys. That's what's happening here in Georgetown, Guyana. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe in the comments below. Tell me what you think about new construction happening all over Georgetown in preparation for the start of oil production in 2020. And let me know what you think about the quality and the kinds of buildings that are going up. Because I think this is just the beginning. I think the buildings will improve in quality and modernity as time goes by. In fact, what I have planned is much more modern than anything that is going up right now. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening in Guyana. And later!